Hey, this is Don from Padlock Technologies again with another video. This video is going to be a continuation off of the video I did before about the new features on the FTD, and I'm going to show you what the AI assistant is because now I got the AI assistant working. Wasn't working before because it was detached or for some reason it wasn't getting out to the internet. So I had to reboot the firewall. Once I did that, FMC magically came up with the AI assistant. So let me move myself out the way first so you can see this. And then let's take a look. So like I said before, the AI assistant is going to be between the deploy button and the actual task button here. So this is the AI assistant. So you click this little circle and there's this chat bot that comes up. So let's say you wanted to, they have like 4 questions here, and it tells you right off the bat, like it's studying your firewall policy. So you can't really use the AI assistant to look at your policies until it actually understands your policies. And then after that, this goes away, and then you can go and analyze your policies. But let's say you wanted to do something like, what access control rules are disabled. Now, this probably won't work because it's not understanding the policies yet, so it probably won't do it, but let's click the button to see what happens. So this is me asking the chatbot. It's going to use the AI behind the scenes and try to figure out what's going. But again, it has not been set up yet. So as you can see, it gave me the answer, hey, we're not done reviewing your policies or looking at the policies, so we can't really answer this question right now. So that's your chat bot tool right now. If I wanted to go back here, let's see. Let's ask it a new question. Let's say, how do I schedule recurring backups? So let's say you didn't know how to do it and you don't want to go through the documentation. You would just click this button here to say, hey, how do I schedule recurring backups? Get the enter key, or you can just hit the little key on the side here, this little arrow, and then it'll go through, look at the documentation for you, and then it's going to come with an actual answer and say, okay, here's how you do it. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. So as I said before, this is still in quote unquote beta, and it does have some good things, right? Like doing this, if you didn't know how to do something real quick, um, you can come back to here and kind of get that, right? And then it'll show you the documentation, and then it'll say, how do you, if you want to click and get more explanations, you can go and do that. But if you were to go, um, I know some of these rules are not going to work, right? Because my policy has not been there. But if you want to ask, like, how do I set up SSL decryption? So to understand the query, it's going to try to find some information on it. And there you go, starting to show you how to do the stuff. Now, here's the thing. It doesn't show you how to do it, doesn't bring up pictures or anything to point you in the direction. So you kind of got to look and determine, kind of figure out what is going through. But like I said before, the AI assistant is strictly just a chatbot. It is not something that it's revolutionary, but it's not. I don't want to use revolution. Let me not use the word revolutionary. It's going to help you configure certain things on your FTD if you don't know how to do it. Again, in the future, it will analyze your policies and make recommendations, but I would not let it do the recommendation that it recommends. I would always go through your change process, look at what it's asking to change or wants to change, then I would probably do it manually because, AI is a mixed bag. You might get some good things and you could get some bad things. So that was a quick video on the AI assistant that I wanted to show you in my last video. Hope this video was informative. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. This is Don from Padlock Technologies. Thank you and have a nice day.